Walter is mixing cement for his new patio. He knows he needs to use a water to cement ratio of 20:30. What percent of his total mixture is water? So in this word problem, we're given the ratio, specifically the numbers 20:30, but how do you know which one is for the 20, which one for the 30? So the first one comes first, so that means it's going to be water. So the first word goes with the first number, and then so I'm going to color code them, and then the second word is cement. Oops, sorry. So cement, and then the second number is 30, and then in between they're using the word to, so that's how they separate them. So right now what's given is that I have parts of water, so ratio, and then we have 20 water and then 30 cement. Now our job is to find what percent, so it says what percent of his total mixture is water. So total mixture, if you're mixing something, so we have 20 parts of water plus 30 parts of cement, the total mixture is 50 in terms of total. Okay, but right now what we want to do is, if I double my ratio, my total will become 100. So when I look with percent, I will have 100. So another way you can record that is in a table, but right now the initial ratio is 20:30. So if I double that, so multiply by 2, so I would have 40 of water over 60 for cement. Okay, and then my total will be 40 parts plus 60 parts, so that's 100 total parts of when it's mixing. So what percent of the total mixture is water? So right now we have water is 40 out of 100 total. So what is that percent then? So it should be 40%. So write that in complete sentence. So another alternative I mentioned is just to organize everything in a table. So if I say I'm going to keep the water for one column, the cement in another column, and then total. Total means we're going to add them. So we start with the given ratio. So it was 20 for water, 30 for cement, and now I can see, oh yeah, it is 50. So when I double, so that's my initial. So if I double, that becomes 40, 60, and then the total also doubles, but I can also add them. 40 plus 60 is 100. So we can clearly see is 40 out of 100 for the water. Now if it wasn't, if I needed something else, then I would continue. So the third will be 60, here will be 90, and then of course will give us 150. But because we just needed out of 100, we stopped at that number.